Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Pune University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Pune University, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Pune University login. After searching for Pune University login, you will come up to this page where you can tap on the first option which says Login Student Profile System. So after tapping on that option, you can log into your account by selecting the login way, how you would like to log in your account. So to log in your account, you can either enter your mobile number or email address. I would like to enter my email ID. So after entering your email ID, what you can do is just enter your password. And after entering your password, you can find a caption on your screen. So just enter the same caption, and after entering that same caption, just tap on login. So after entering that caption, you can tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password by tapping on the option don't remember password, forgot password option. So after tapping on that, you can create a new password for your account, and after creating that new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering that new password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So if you don't have an account, what you can do is just tap on create an account option. After tapping on create account option, you can create an account and then use that. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Pune University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.